Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. What I'll be doing in this one is explaining to you guys how you can export audio, or rather audio only, in the Davinci Resolve 18.6 editing program. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I already added a video to the editing track, and I have made some pretty basic edits. I just cut the video up, deleted some sections. Let me just do a bit more of that. Yeah, I just have one section left. Let's say this is it. It has its own audio, it has everything, so it should work for the purposes of this tutorial. If we want to check it out, just go into the Fairlight, I think it is. Yeah, into Fairlight. It doesn't seem to have audio, so let me fix it real quick. Just delete it from here. I'll import the other one again, and now if I go into Fairlight, it should have it. Yep. If your audio and everything is okay, make sure you check it here. Make any edits you want to the actual audio. You can also just import audio, I think, on its own by importing media, right click or Control I, and when you import it, you can edit it in here however you'd like. And once you're done, what you want to do is pretty much the same as exporting the video. You want to go into the far right tab, which is the Deliver tab with the rocket icon. Once you're here, you will see both the video and audio preview, and up here you'll see a lot of presets you can use for exporting the videos. You can export it in 1080p format for YouTube, for Vimeo, for Twitter. You can even export it for TikTok in 1080p. You can of course change it all here below, and you can also export it as a presentation. If you're using custom export, what you want to do is just uncheck the export video box and just then add to render queue. However, you also have the same preset here. Just scroll way to the right, third from the last, audio only, add to render queue. It's already there. Replace it, render 1, and it should render in half a second, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.